You want to run DeepSeek R1 locally on your PC? I'll show you how to install and use it, both in the command line and with GUI. Let's get started. Step 1. We're going to install Ollama. Head over to Ollama website, links in the description. Download the installer based on your OS. Once downloaded, just follow the installation steps. Super easy. Now go to the model page and find DeepSeek R1. You will see different versions based on your VRAM. If you have a GPU, pick a model that fits your VRAM. If not, just stick with the default 7B model. Now copy the install command, open your terminal and paste it. Hit enter and wait for the download to complete. This might take a few minutes. Once installed, you can now run DeepSeek directly from the command line. Just type your prompt and it will generate responses real time. But what if you want a graphical user interface instead? Let me show you an easy way. For a GUI, we'll use Page Assist. Just go to their GitHub repository, find the Chrome extension link and install it. Once installed, just follow the instructions. Click the extension icon. Select your model and start chatting. You can also enable side panel mode so the chatbot stays open while you work on other things. Now let's test it by generating some code. I'll ask it to build a simple tic-tac-toe game. Remember, performance depends on your hardware. And that's it. Running DeepSeek R1 locally is super easy. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. If this helped, Like, share and subscribe.